Hey there! Do you know all the cool animals in the world? Today, let's take a look at some of them. 1. Lions are some of the most majestic animals on Earth. They have a golden brown coat, big sharp claws and teeth, and a loud roar. Lions usually live in groups called prides, with the male lion being the leader of the pack. They like to hunt large prey such as antelopes and zebras for their food. Fun fact, male lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day. 2. Elephants are one of the biggest animals on Earth. They have huge ears, tusks made from ivory, and trunks so long they can be used for drinking water or grabbing branches for food. Elephants love to wander in large herds, led by the oldest female in the group. They love munching on grass and leaves, but sometimes they even eat fruit. Fun fact, elephants can remember things from years ago even when their friends forget. 3. Polar bears are unique animals that live in very cold climates. They have white fur to blend in with their icy environment, big sharp claws for catching prey, and small black eyes perfect for hunting in the dark. Polar bears are great swimmers and they love to catch fish from icy rivers. They also like to rest on chunks of ice as a way to stay cool in the summertime. Fun fact, polar bears are excellent hunters and can detect the scent of prey from miles away. They can also dive to depths of up to 15 feet, 4.5 meters, to catch fish. 4. Penguins are curious creatures that live in some of the coldest places on Earth. They have black and white feathers that help them blend in with the icy landscape, and they can even swim very fast. Penguins like to stick together in large groups called colonies, and they love to eat fish. When it's cold outside, penguins huddle together for warmth, making a big fluffy blob of cuteness. Fun fact, male and female penguins take turns incubating their eggs and caring for their chicks, with males usually taking the first shift. 5. Giraffes are one of the tallest animals on Earth. They have long necks, spotty coats, and unique horns called ossicones. Giraffes like to eat leaves from tall trees and wander around in large groups. Fun fact, giraffes only need to drink water once every few days, as they can get most of their hydration from the leaves they eat. 6. Bears are powerful animals that live in the forest. They have thick fur and rounded ears, and come in many different species like black bears, brown bears, and polar bears. Bears usually eat fruits, nuts, plants, roots, grasses, fish, insects, and other small animals. Fun fact, bears can run up to 30 miles per hour, and they can swim up to 6 miles per hour. 7. Wolves are fierce animals that live in packs with a leader in charge. They have thick gray fur, pointed ears, and sharp teeth perfect for tearing up their prey. Wolves like to roam around in large groups searching for food such as deer or small animals. Fun fact, wolves howl to communicate different messages to each other. 8. Cheetahs are some of the fastest animals in the world. They have yellow-brown coats with black spots, and a long tail that helps them turn quickly while chasing after prey. Cheetahs like to wander around alone or in small groups looking for food such as birds, antelope, and wildebeests. Fun fact, cheetahs can reach speeds up to 75 miles per hour. 9. Tigers are one of the most powerful predators on Earth. They have orange and black stripes all over their bodies, sharp claws perfect for catching prey, and big teeth so they can eat large pieces of meat. Tigers usually live alone or in pairs in the wild, hunting animals such as deer or wild boar for food. Fun fact, tigers love to swim and can even hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. 10. Zebras are some of the most recognizable animals in Africa. They have black and white stripes all over their bodies, big eyes perfect for spotting predators, and long necks so they can reach high branches to eat leaves. Zebras usually travel in large herds with a leader in charge, and they love eating grass as well as other plants. Fun fact, zebras have excellent eyesight and hearing, which helps them to detect predators like lions and hyenas. 11. Sharks are some of the most feared sea creatures. They have razor-sharp teeth, wide fins perfect for swimming long distances, and a shiny coat that helps them to blend in with their surroundings. Sharks like to hunt alone or in small packs looking for food such as fish or turtles. Fun fact, sharks can smell blood from up to 2 miles away. 12. Monkeys are some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. They have furry coats, long tails perfect for swinging through trees, and hands so they can grab onto branches or pick fruit off of trees. Monkeys usually live together in groups led by an alpha male, and they love eating fruits and other plant matter. Fun fact, monkeys use different calls and gestures to communicate with each other. 13. Hippos are some of the largest animals in Africa. They have large bodies covered in gray or pink skin, short legs perfect for walking around rivers, and long teeth so they can bite through tough plants. Hippos like to stay close to water, and they love eating leaves, grass, and aquatic plants. Fun fact, hippos can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. 14. Rhinos are one of the most endangered animals in the world. They have thick gray skin, 2 horns on their heads perfect for defending themselves from predators, and a big mouth so they can eat lots of food. Rhinos usually travel alone, or in pairs looking for food such as grass or shrubs. Fun fact, rhinos are herbivores and can eat up to 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, of vegetation per day. 15. Koalas are some of the cutest animals in Australia. They have soft gray fur, round ears perfect for hearing predators, and sharp claws so they can climb trees. Koalas usually live alone or in small groups looking for food such as leaves, and they love eating eucalyptus leaves. Fun fact, koalas can sleep up to 18 hours a day. 16. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, and can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh up to 200 tons. They are found in oceans all over the world and feed on tiny krill. Blue whales communicate with each other using low-frequency sound that can travel for miles underwater. Fun fact, blue whales can produce sounds that are louder than a jet engine, and can be heard by other blue whales over hundreds of miles. 17. Ostriches are some of the biggest birds on the planet. They have long necks and legs, powerful wings perfect for running up to 40 miles per hour, and a sharp beak so they can crack open hard food. Ostriches usually live together in small flocks looking for food such as insects, and they love eating grasses and other plants. Fun fact, ostriches lay the biggest eggs of any bird in the world. 18. Crocodiles are some of the fiercest animals in the wild. They have gray or green scales, long tails perfect for swimming and catching prey, and sharp teeth so they can tear through meat. Crocodiles usually live alone near water looking to hunt, and they love eating fish, birds, small mammals, and even other reptiles. Fun fact, crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for up to 2 hours. 19. Salamanders are some of the most unusual amphibians on Earth. They have slimy skin covered in spots, 4 legs perfect for walking around in wet places, and a long tail so they can swim quickly through water. Salamanders usually live alone or in small groups looking for food such as insects, and they love eating worms, spiders, and other bugs. Fun fact, salamanders can regrow their tails if it gets bitten off. 20. Jellyfish are some of the strangest creatures in the ocean. They have transparent bodies filled with water, long tentacles perfect for catching prey, and stingers so they can protect themselves from predators. Jellyfish usually swim together in large groups looking for food such as plankton, and they love eating fish eggs, shrimp, and other small creatures. Fun fact: jellyfish have no brains or bones. 21. Octopuses are some of the most intelligent invertebrates on Earth. They have 8 tentacles, large eyes perfect for spotting prey, and beaks so they can tear through food. Octopuses usually live alone near rocks looking to hunt, and they love eating crabs, fish, and other sea creatures. Fun fact: octopuses can change their color in just seconds. 22. Kangaroos are cute marsupials that live in Australia. They have strong back legs and a large tail that help them hop around. Kangaroos also have powerful front legs and sharp claws they use to defend themselves if needed. They are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grasses, leaves, and flowers. Fun fact: a baby kangaroo is called a joey and they stay in the mother's pouch for up to 9 months. 23. Bats are some of the most mysterious creatures in the world. They have black fur, wings perfect for flying up to 60 miles per hour, and pointed teeth so they can eat their prey. Bats usually live together in large colonies looking for food such as insects, and they love eating moths, beetles, and other bugs. Fun fact: bats are the only mammals that can fly. 24. Pandas are one of the cutest animals in the world. They are black and white bears that live in China's mountains and forests. They love to eat bamboo and can consume up to 32 pounds a day. Pandas have an extra digit on their front paws which helps them grasp their food better. Fun fact: baby pandas are only the size of a stick of butter when they are born. 25. Gorillas are primates from Africa. They are mostly found in the tropical forests of Central and Western Africa. They live together in groups called troops, and the dominant male is known as a silverback. Gorillas can be up to 1.7 meters tall and weigh up to 180 kilograms. Fun fact: gorillas love to eat ants and termites, but they are also known to enjoy eating some fruits and vegetables. Thanks for viewing. Remember to like our video and to subscribe to this channel.